Hello students, welcome to Pragati Education. Also welcome to lesson 3 part 2. In this lesson we are having adjective. Adjective संबंध में हम अगरू विशद भाव में पढ़ी गले. What is an adjective? Different kinds of adjective. ये संबंध में हम आलोचना करते ले. आज हम देखिबा adjective रा व्यवहार को नहीं आमे कि प्रकार भूल करि पारू बा कौन एरर करबा संभावना रही छी. तो हम देखिबा आमे गोटे पर गोटे सेंटेंस आगु को जीवा एवं प्रति सेंटेंस रो परे आमे 10 मिनिट 10 से 15 सेकंड रो पॉज नेबा तापरे मु तार उत्तरटा रखिबी. आरंभ करिबा. आजिरो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. चेन्नई इज फर्दर फ्रॉम दिल्ली देन आगरा. चेन्नई इज फर्दर फ्रॉम दिल्ली देन आगरा. Just think about the right sentence. The right sentence is Chennai is farther, not further. Chennai is farther from Delhi than Agra. Further, it is a wrong expression. Further means away, in a long distance. So here the correct sentence is Chennai is farther from Delhi than Agra. Then sentence 2. Alok is more stronger than his brother. Alok is more stronger than his brother. Think about the right answer, the right statement. सठिक वाक्यटी हला आलोक इज मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर. आलोक इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन हिज ब्रदर. मोर शुड बी डिलीटेड. आलोक इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन हिज ब्रदर. कहीं मोर एवं स्ट्रॉन्ग दुईटी जाक कंपेरेटिव. सो डबल कंपेरेटिव नॉट अलाउड हियर. सठिक सेंटेंस टी हला आलोक इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन हिज ब्रदर. स्ट्रॉन्गर अर्थ है मोर स्ट्रॉन्ग. एबी आसीबा तृतीय वाक्य को. सेंटेंस 3. ही हैड ए स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेक. ही हैड ए स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेक. ठीक चिंता कल सठिक वाक्यटा कौन हो पारे. सठिक वाक्यटी है ही हैड ए बैड हेडेक. ही हैड ए बैड हेडेक. स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेक. हेडेक पाई गोटे रॉन्ग एक्सप्रेशन. एटा रॉन्ग एडजेक्टिव. यूज ऑफ रॉन्ग एडजेक्टिव फॉर हेडेक. सो instead of strong headache the right sentence is he had a bad headache. Sentence 4. Gold is precious than any other metals. Gold is precious than any other metals. Think about the right sentence. The right sentence is gold is precious than any other metal. Instead of metal it should be metal. क्योंकि कहीं गोल्ड इज प्रेसियस एठार सिंगुलर फॉर्म हेबो. प्रेसियस देन एनी अदर मेटल्स मींस कंपैरेटिवली हम देखिबा सब मेटल ठारो हम जहां छय कंपेयर करिबा सते बेले मेटल हो. प्रेसियस समस्त precious. So it should be gold is precious than any other metal. Sentence 5. You are becoming young. You are becoming young. सठिक वाक्यटी है सठिक वाक्यटी है यू आर बिकमिंग यंगर. यू आर बिकमिंग यंगर माने एठारे तार कंपेरेटिव फॉर्म हेबो दिन को दिन आपण यंग देखा जाउछंती माने एटारा यंग परिवर्ते यंगर हेबो बा तार कंपेरेटिव फॉर्म हेबो सठिक वाक्य होला यू आर बिकमिंग यंगर देन you have much book you have much books the next sentence you have much books you have much books सठिक सेंटेंस हैला you have many books much जगह रे it should be many पई कारण बुक्स काउंटेबल नाउन अब काउंटेबल नाउन रो पाई एडजेक्टिव हैला मेनी नॉट मच मच इज यूज्ड फॉर अनकाउंटेबल्स सो द राइट सेंटेंस इज यू हैव मेनी बुक्स नंबर 7 ही इज ग्रोइंग strong and strong every day he is growing strong and strong yesterday every day think about the right answer right sentence the right sentence is he is growing stronger and stronger every day stronger and stronger every day तार अर्थ दिन को दिन से स्ट्रंगर देखा जाउछंती एठारे कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म सुइटेबल नॉट पॉजिटिव फॉर्म सुइटेबल नो दिन को दिन कंपैरेटिवली से strong देखा जाउछंती एनो कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म इज सुइटेबल सो द राइट सेंटेंस इज ही इज ग्रोइंग स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर एवरी डे तो एबे हम आसीबा नेक्स्ट परवर्ती सेंटेंस को दैट इज सेंटेंस नंबर 8 सेंटेंस नंबर 8 है आई हैव मेनी वर्क्स टू डू आई हैव मेनी वर्क्स टू डू थिंक अबाउट द राइट सेंटेंस सठिक वाक्यटी है आई हैव मच वर्क्स टू डू तो मच कहीं मेनी नुह कारण वर्क्स इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज an uncountable तेणु तापाई सठिक एडजेक्टिव हैला मच सो द राइट आंसर आई हैव मेनी मच वर्क्स टू डू देन नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस 9 टेल मी द लास्ट न्यूज about the incidents tell me the last news about the incidents just think about the right sentence सठिक वाक्यटी हैला tell me the latest news instead of last it will be लेटेस्ट तमाने इंसिडेंट संबंध रे सठिक माने लेटेस्ट न्यूज टी कौन लास्ट रॉन्ग एक्सप्रेशन वर्तमान सुधा जहाँ खबर अच्छी सबुठू ताजा खबर कौन दैट इज लेटेस्ट न्यूज सो द राइट सेंटेंस इज टेल मी द लेटेस्ट न्यूज अबाउट द इंसिडेंट्स Number 10 he wasted all his wealth just think about the right sentence the right sentence is wasted So he wasted his all wealth. He wasted his all wealth. Just think about the right sentence. The right sentence is he wasted all his wealth. Instead of his all wealth, the right sentence should be all his wealth. So why like this? Because such quantifiers like all, both, etc. go before the possessive. Quantifiers like all, both, they go before the possessive. He wasted all his wealth. His here the possessive noun. तेणु possessive noun his ର ପୂର୍ବରେ all ର यूज ହେବ, because all ଏବଂ all ଭଳି quantifiers they go before the possessive. So the right sentence is he wasted all his wealth is the right sentence. तबे आमे देखिबा सेंटेंस नंबर 11. They have no any children. Sentence number 11. They have no any children. Think about the right sentence. The right sentence is they have no children. Any should be deleted. They have no children. Also, it can be expressed as they don't have any children. You can write they don't have any children or they have no children. But they have no any children is the wrong expression. Both are negative. No is negative. Any is also used in negative and interrogative sentence. Hence, no any children, wrong expression, it should be they don't have any children or they have no children. Then sentence number 12. Which is the shortest? Which is the shortest of the two? Which is the shortest of the two? Think about the right sentence. The right sentence is which is the shorter of the two? Which is the shorter? Which is the shorter of the two? Which is shorter of the two? Because ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୁଇଟା ମଧ୍ୟରେ comparison, comparative form shorter is suitable, not shortest. Then 13. There is a best singer in our class. There is a best singer in our class. Think about the right sentence. The right sentence is there is a very good singer. You can express like this: there is a very good singer in our class. Superlative form best एठारे हब नाही, कारण एटा गोटे पॉजिटिव केस. आमे केवल गोटे सिंगर संबंध में कहूँ, तो एटी पॉजिटिव फॉर्म is suitable. A very good, you can write a very good singer, but not the best. Then the next sentence, that is 14. Every girl children needs Every girl children needs love and affection. Love and affection. So you have to think about the right sentence. Every girl children needs love and affection. You have to think about the right sentence. So the right sentence is every girl child, not children. Every singular नाम बुझे जाऊँगी प्रत्येक means everyone. So in this sense, every girl child, not children, needs care, needs love and affection. The next sentence, that is sentence 15. He is a ill boy. He is an ill boy. He is an ill boy. What is the right sentence? The right sentence is he is a sick boy. He is a sick boy. Ill boy. Wrong expression. So it should be he is a ill boy. Then sentence 16. This is certainly a more better suggestion. Sentence 16. This is certainly a more better suggestion. Think about the right sentence. The right sentence is this is certainly a better suggestion. More should be deleted. Double comparative means wrong expression. So the right sentence is this is certainly a better suggestion. So अभी आसिफ हम next sentence को, that is sentence 17. अबे sentence 17. She alone is responsible. She alone is responsible. सठिक वाक्यटी है she instead of alone it should be only. She only is responsible. Alone adjective दृष्टि देखिले एटा wrong expression about it. She alone is responsible. Then 18. My uncle has a garden. Uncle has a garden very large. My uncle has a garden very large. The right sentence is my uncle has a very large garden. My uncle is a very large garden. एटा मिसप्लेस ऑफ एडजेक्टिव जोटी प्लेस हेबा कथा सेठी होई नाही एवं मिसप्लेस हेची. तो सठिक सेंटेंस ला माय अंकल हैज ए वेरी लार्ज गार्डन. माय अंकल हैज ए गार्डन वेरी लार्ज. एटा रॉन्ग. हैज ए वेरी लार्ज गार्डन इज द राइट सेंटेंस. माय अंकल हैज ए वेरी लार्ज गार्डन. देन sentence 19. Jack was wounded. Jack was wounded in a car accident. In a car accident. Think about the right sentence. Jack was wounded in a car accident. The right sentence is Jack was injured, not wounded. Injured. Jack was injured in a car accident. Then the last sentence of this lesson, that is 20. He is 2 years smaller. He is 2 years smaller than me. So he is 2 years smaller than me. Think about the right sentence. से मो ठारू बयसरे 2 वर्ष छोट. सठिक उत्तरटी है he is 2 years younger than me, not smaller. Smaller बयसरे छोट comparatively younger तार comparative form younger यूज हो. स्मॉल सेटा साइज को नहीं, साइज रो छोट बड़ को नहीं व्यवहृत हुए, तेणु एठारे रॉन्ग एक्सप्रेशन. दैट इज व्हाई द राइट सेंटेंस इज he is 2 years smaller, he is 2 years younger than me. तो पिलाई हम एठी देखिले एडजेक्टिव नहीं हमें कौन भूल करि पारू बा कौन त्रुटि करि पारू. म आगर कहिछि भूल को जानिले हमें आगर से हिसाब रे सजग रहिबा, से हिसाब रे हमें सतर्क रहिबा एवं भूल को हमें करे, भूल को हमें आगर से संबंध सजग होई रहि परिबा. तो पिलाई पुणी हमें आसीबा, पुणी भेटेबा परवर्ती लेसन रे. आज धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.